welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time seeing me. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what other stuff y'all want to see from me. I know I'm looking a little dusty right now, but that's why y'all clicked on this video. So first, what I need to do is get my face together. I probably can't tell, but my face is real dry. I got this mark right here where it's dry patch and it's getting on my nerves, so I need to get it together. I'm using coconut oil. This is what I use on my face, my hair, my daughter hair. Last night I washed my face and I used my spin brush. And I used my spin brush last night, and I think I went too hard down here and like nothing's burning. So yeah, the purpose of this video today, I just want to get cute. I've been sitting inside, you know, not doing nothing but making videos. I want to look cute again, even if it's just to sit inside. So I got all my hair stuff right here. I'll show y'all what it is as I'm going. I don't really have a clear-cut idea of how I want to do it. Well, I know I just want to do it in like 2 ponytails, 2 puffs or whatever, but like a swoop bang. And I think, not a bang, I think I'm gonna put a braid on this side to just try to do a little something with it. First thing, the section off the bang. Water bottle, but I'm about to put some warm water in here. I shouldn't even mind about the braid. I don't think I'm gonna do all that. Why? Go ahead, little girl. You can't get mad. Yeah, my hair. But this the edge control. I didn't use. I'ma just do it from this way because the top is gone. But this is the edge control that I use. I need to get me some more because it's almost gone. I don't even know how to do my edges, y'all, so I'm gonna probably do them like once I get everything together because I don't know how to do my edges. Then again, let me try. I'm gonna try. That's how it's supposed to be. That's the way it is. Just doing the same thing to the other side. Crazy thing is, this is my first time attempting this style. Then I got the nerve to want to do it on camera. I think I left out too much hair in the front, but we're gonna make it work. I'ma just wrap this up. I have to wrap this up and then call myself putting on some lashes. I'm using these lashes right here. They are from BlinkJazzy. I will leave the link to her website if y'all want to purchase anything from her. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put these on again because I tried putting them on before. I don't really know how to wear lashes, but I'm trying to get better at it because I be feeling plain. So I gotta try to put them on. I'm using some eyelash glue because I don't have no hair glue. That's eyelash adhesive stuff. Just applying the adhesive to the lashes. Well, the first try is a no-go. I don't feel like they're all right.
Hurt.
I'm trying to get these things together. I'm trying to get them right here. I don't know if I didn't put them on right or it all audio right. I don't know, like they make my eyes look cute, but at the same time, like I have to get used to them. They make my eyes look real dark, and my eyes already barely open, so they just like we gotta put something. Sorry. But they cute. They just not typically like the ones I will go for. And I don't know, I guess I'm just not. They're not typically the ones I will go for, but you know, I'm trying new stuff. So, what I have to do now, throw some earrings on, take my hair down, do the finishing. Get the chapstick. Okay, looking like something. Might have to make this one. Fix this one. Alright, y'all. This is the finished look. That makes it kind of yeah, I don't really wear makeup, so this is the best I could do. Yeah, I'm liking my hair. I'm gonna take some videos and stuff and make sure that I insert them in here so y'all can see how I ended up like really feeling it or whatever. I'm gonna keep the lashes on for a little while. But like, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna insert some pictures. If y'all like this video, I'm so not used to wearing these things, but if y'all like this video and y'all want more videos like this from me, just let me know in the comment section or on my social medias. Yeah, so make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All that will be in the description box below. The link to these lashes will be in the description box. So y'all make sure y'all check that out. And I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye. Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm.